General Sportsman final. Of course, somebody's warming up their engine. Justin Roach leading them down after winning the pre-final. The order you see here is the order of the pre-final. They notice something. 12 car normally out in front and some of these out in front. Nope. Got a little incident with Brendan Ostrowski. Bruce went in the grass and lost it. Ostrowski continued on. He will start second. Bruce will start dead last. We'll see how fast he can try and come through the field. And the green flag is given. Bruce but in the grass already.
Alright, so we are green and Justin Rose is out in front and Brendan Ostrowski in second.
So Ostrowski, he's looking already. He wants a piece of Jeremy Roche. Meanwhile, oh, hey, it's going around. Loses sixth, and he falls all the way back to loses fifth, falls all the way back to seventh. We'll put Colin Bruce back up into fifth. Ostrowski. He wants it. Oh, loses 22. Ostrowski gets the position. Ostrowski still fighting Wood. Sobiak is enjoying this because he gets closer to the action. Matthew Buck has gained his 6th position back from the 7th Trinity UTEC. Or UTEC? UTEC or UTEC? I think it's UTEC. I'll ask. But now, new leader. It's going to be Brandon Ostrowski in the 128. Colin Bruce is going nowhere. Still trying. Finally gets around the 28 for 5th. So meanwhile with the leaders, Ostrowski, Roach, and Sobiak. Bruce and Haywood have a lot of time to make up, and they want to try and duel out for the win. There's a bee. There's a bee by me. Yeah, that's not what it's gonna be. It's not a bee. It's a beetle. Get off. Out of here. I don't like you. So Ostrowski pulling a little bit away from Roach. He's got a gap. Not much, but he's got one. Well, the bumper turn I think would be had because Roach is back up behind. Ostrowski back bumper, Sobiak still there. Colin Bruce has not made up any ground. I think battling that 28 is what cost him. He's mired all the way back in 4th, which is good. It's a good position, but it's just that it's not where he would like to be. So I feel like the dark horse here is Sobiak. I mean, he's in the top 3, and he's looking on Justin Roach. He's not making a move yet, but he's looking. He's waiting for it. He's trying to be patient with it. Now Ostrowski gets a nice gap out of no man's land, but Roach gets a better acceleration off of the turn. He just has more straightaway speed. Roach looking inside. If he makes a move and doesn't get it, then second would probably go to Sobiak. There you go. Coming in the frame right now, I'll be Colin Boos in fourth. Started last. And they did a pretty good job. And Cody Haywood started fourth. Back in fifth. I mean, he's done a pretty good job today. Halfway is now passed. Roach trying to be as patient as he can with Brendan Ostrowski. Sobiak trying to be patient, trying to get around 22 of Roach. Snaking through the heel of the boot. Lap carts might be in the way. Here's one. I think it's the 7 of UTEC. That's 70 of Trinity UTEC. Here comes 54. Oh no! Ostrowski, they all survived. Wow. Same place as last week, where Ostrowski got punched by Colin Boos. So the next card of concern would be Trinity UTEC in the 7. Probably the next person that I think might come into play. Oh, she's definitely going to come into play. She's around in no man's land. Gets it going the right way, but she's going to be caught going into the sweeper. Trinity breaks. Ostrowski and company have to find a way around. That was close. As in Ostrowski might have tapped the 7 for a second after she got loose, but I think they're good. It's all good. Everybody good. Done 2 to go. No lap traffic. Gonna be in the way. All clean. Nearest card is 6th place Magic Burke, and he's all the way in the heel of the boot, so he's not going to be a concern for the leaders. So it's a 3-way battle. Colin Boos out of the picture. So 4th on back. Cannot go for this win. With 1 to go this time by, Sobiak is going to have to make his move. Trinity UTEC around in the boot. Gets back on the right way. So Sobiak or Roach has to make their move now. Roach trying. He looks not going to get it. Sobiak willing to help and go with him, trying to get around Brendan Ostrowski. Here they go out of the other boot. Ostrowski has a nice gap. If he can maintain it out of no man's land, it will be fine. Unofficial finish, by the way. Oh, Dustin Roach, he's coming with a head of steam. Can you try? You can try, no. Ostrowski, Roach, and Sobiak. Their top 3, and if everything remains unchanged, Bruce, Haywood, Burke.
I'm getting the word from the racetrack that Colin Boos has been penalized. Colin Boos has been penalized.
Alright, well. Okay, well, good to know that. So Bud's up to 5th. Bruce is all the way back to like 6th or 7th. So, yeah, not Bruce's day.